morning everybody, and welcome back once again to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my morning skincare routine. So if this sounds like something you've been wanting to see, please make sure you subscribe and share this video to a friend. Now this skincare routine is for somebody who's struggling with hyperpigmentation or dark spots. You can see my face is all bare. I recently broke out. I have 1 or 2 pimples on my face, which is why I'm making this video today, because I know a lot of people have been asking me, oh Nyechi, show us your skincare routine. Now the face products are actually very affordable. I'm going to show you guys products I'm currently using on my face, as well as products for my body also. So please subscribe, and let's dive straight into today's video. For some reason I just love tying my scarf like this. Like if it's not tied like this, I have not started. I just love it. And some of my friends just laugh at the way I tie it, but who cares? I feel I look good on it, right? What do you think? Leave your comments down below and tell me what you think about my funny hair scarf, okay? Now I'll first start with a face wash. So before I talk about my face care routine, I'm going to first show you guys products that I use on my body, and the products are from my brand. Yes, if you don't know, in case you're just joining me on this channel, I recently launched my skincare line, the Chiemela skincare line. It contains 2 products. At the moment we launched 2 products, but before the end of this year we're going to be adding 2 more products to the brand. But for now, our Lumi Cherry Skin Lightening Set is still available. So if you order more than 2 products, it'll be coming to you in this box. Now what you'll find in the box is our black soap and our lightening body lotion. Yes, which are highly effective. Our black soap contains mulberry extract, grapefruit powder, glycerin, turmeric, honey, neem powder, and almond oil, while our lightening body lotion contains vitamin B3, kojic acid, palmitate, and alpha-arbutin, bearberry, and cranberry extract. Yes, support your girl by patronizing me. This is what I use currently on my body. It's been a very long time I've been using it. I've been using it before I even pushed it out for you guys to try out. Let's head straight to the video without further ado.
So hey guys, because I'm human, sometimes I will break out, sometimes I'm going to have dark spots, which is very normal because a lot of things cause all these things on our skin. First, I'm going to start with my face wash. This is from the Yoko brand. Yes, if you know the Yoko Spa Salt, you would know this product. This is their yogurt facial wash. Yes, their yogurt facial foam contains yogurt, vitamin B3, niacinamide, and vitamin E. Trust me, this wash is going to leave your skin very moisturized. It literally feels like you're applying yogurt on your skin, and it leaves your skin silky smooth and soft. So right now I've washed it off. I'm trying to dry up my skin a little bit with my face towel. Make sure your face towel is also clean to avoid bacteria. And yes, just gently wipe your face and dry it all up. Second, I'm going to be going in with my face serum. This is from the Ordinary brand. There's ascorbic acid 8% and alpha-arbutin. Very good for clearing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I've always mentioned on this channel that hyperpigmentation has been one of my struggles, and this serum has really helped me get rid of it or keep it under control. Yes, just apply a few drops and gently rub it into your skin, massage it into your skin. It's an oil-based serum, and it's going to leave your skin feeling like, oh my goodness, it's going to glow your skin. At the same time, it is going to also clear those dark spots and minimize the hyperpigmentation. Now I'm going to go in with my hydrating light moisturizer from the Simple brand. Yes, this is for a sensitive skin. So if you're somebody like me that has a sensitive skin, I highly suggest the Simple lightweight moisturizing cream. Very amazing for your face also. Now I just want my serum to dry up on my face before I go in with my serum. Remember, this is a morning skincare routine. Now I have my CeraVe hydrating sunscreen close by. Remember to always protect your skin from the sun, because UVA rays and UVB rays are not your friend at all. Now gently rub in your moisturizing cream or moisturizing lotion gently on your skin, and then we allow it to sink in a little bit before we apply our sunscreen from the CeraVe brand. Okay, so we have the CeraVe mineral hydrating sunscreen with ceramides and peptides, also very good for minimizing and healing your skin barrier, and at the same time it contains niacinamide, also prevents breakout. which prevents breakouts, pimples, and all that. The ceramides heal or rebuild your skin barrier. So when I said the products I'm going to be sharing on my skincare routine today are very helpful, believe me. At the same time, I'm trying to rebuild my skin barrier, and at the same time, I'm trying to minimize or remove dark spots from my face. You see, I said you should stick around. Make sure you watch the video till the end. So gently rub in your sunscreen. Remember, this sunscreen is going to give you a white cast, believe me. But as you can see, I've massaged in thoroughly and it has sinked into my skin. The white cast has been minimized. You see, that is beautiful. So make sure you always wear your sunscreen. Wearing sunscreen prevents your skin from getting sunburn and hyperpigmentation. It does a whole lot for you. So I highly recommend the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral sunscreen, because it's at the same time it rebuilds your skin barrier because of the ingredients it contains, and then it prevents breakout. Now, last but not the least, I'll be going in with my moisturizing lip balm. This is called Chapet, from the brand Chapet. It is very affordable in the market, and yes, you need to moisturize your lips to keep it all juicy and creamy and all that. All right, so make sure you apply your lip balm once you're done with your skincare routine. Okay, now I have to just allow everything sink in before I head out. This is a minimalistic skincare routine. It doesn't cost you so much and it goes straight to the point, because I'm trying to reduce pimples, acne, at the same time clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I'm focusing on ingredients that would help do the job. I don't need toners or a whole lot at the moment. So yeah, don't forget to share this video, comment and subscribe. If you have any other video requests, please let me know in the comment section. I love you and see you in another video. Kisses and bye.